Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So like I say, I've ordered 8 pairs of VANS shoes mixed up with all the different style VANS and some of the Converse, and then they ship out individual pair or 2 pairs at a time. So this is my third box. So inside here is a Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star 70s Moon High triple white color, size 7. And then the second pair is a VANS Club with the peanuts, I guess Snoopy slip-on, navy and white color, size 8. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. So yeah, I'm not sure if you guys see my previous video. I have such a bad experience purchasing this through their website. I'm not sure it's due to the clearance item that they had to locate, or what's going on. Oh my god, what kind of shipping is this? They put everything inside a big box, but unfortunately they don't put any padding, so check it out. This one is the Converse. Holy moly, box is damaged. Somebody call 911. What the heck is this? Alright, here you go. Converse unisex size, men is size 9, woman is men is size 7, woman is size 9, Euro is size 40. Alright. Hold on, there's my invoice. As you can see, it is from kith.com. And then here the product description. Check high, white color, size 7. Unit price is $29. Okay. And this is the other one that I ordered. I'm not sure if they didn't have it. They put 0 for now. $33. And classic slip-on mixed checker, black and white, size 12, $28. Peanut slip-on, which is one of them that was in here, size 8, $33. And then there's a skate high mix checker, black and white, size 8.5, $33. Which is 0, it's not in here. And then the other one's same thing, skate high mix checker, black and white, size 10, $33. They didn't have. So I'm missing like 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. Okay. So I ordered a total of 8 pairs, and somehow they divided by into 3 shipments. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. Let me move this out of the way. Then this is the peanut. So let me set it down real quick. Here we go. Wow, this is nice and clean. Size 9, it looks so big. Maybe it fit me, because I heard Converse, their sizes run either a size bigger or half size bigger. I gotta check. As you can see, right here is kind of like a shiny rubber bottom or outsole right here. Even around the toe box area. Right here too, on top of the toe box. And then you got the two other air ventilation hole right here. Some nice Converse right here. The Boss All-Star Chuck Taylor. And you got the Converse All-Star Chuck Taylor right here too as well on the rear tab. Nice stitching. You can't really see any flaws compared to Adidas, Nike. Look at that. Wow. So I think this might be leather. I feel like a leather. And this shoes is made in Vietnam. Okay. So this is a pretty thin tongue. It is not padded like the VANS. So right here is kind of like a, I'm not sure, is it real leather or what? Yeah, it smells like real leather. Okay, right here the tongue, and then not sure what they need stitching like that, but maybe I should keep this. But white one is so, you're gonna get dirty so fast, so I'm not sure. Here's the leftover tissue paper. Stuff it in there. I as well throw away the box because it's damaged already. Just keep it just in case I need to have the description. And then this is what? So this side is lace up already, and right here is kind of just a little scratch up here, but it's fine. What? Right here is dirty. This must be a display or demo. Oh my god! And it's kind of like a yellowish. Oh, can you guys see? Yeah, maybe I need to. Oh my god! Look at the lace. It's. You guys see the lace? It's dirt right there. Oh my god! I'm like a file complaint to Keith. This is disgusting. I guess that's why maybe it takes a long time, because they had to locate from the display rack or whatever. So this, jeez. Oh, I guess right here, see? Wow, look at the price. $95. And I'm paying only $29, so maybe I shouldn't complain. But anyway, I mean, damn. I mean, people probably tried this on already and stuff like that. Let me check down the insole, make sure it's not dirty or disgusting. Huh? Somehow this side look kind of different. Let me check it out real quick. Or is that what's supposed to look like? The label is all the way down there. Whatever. So get on to these shoes. Hopefully it's not dirty like that. So this is the peanut one. As you can see, as a common script or whatever on the tissue. This is like a plastic tissue paper. So this is the shoes right here. Nice. Get ready for the Christmas time. Snoopy. Size 8 peanut. It says 2007 peanut. Copyrighted. UK size 7. Woman size is 9.5. Euro is 40.5. Made in Vietnam. Ooh, look at the insole. Nice, colorful. Again, you got the waffle on the outsole. Then here you go, Charlie Brown, the Christmas tree. So as you can see, this is spanking new compared to the Converse, the white one. It is. It looks pretty horrible. So this one is $33. I believe the regular price was about $65 or something like that. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification. Or drop in the comments on below. Alright? Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always. Peace.